AI transforms manufacturing workforce training. In 2026, the manufacturing industry is no longer just about turning wrenches. It has entered the era of the cognitive shop floor. As we face a global shortage of skilled labor and an aging workforce nearing retirement, AI is shifting from a nice-to-have experiment to the primary engine for workforce resilience. Let's start by looking at 2026 status quo. Manufacturers in 2026 face acute workforce challenges. Skills gaps are a top concern. Many firms struggle to find employees with needed technical skills amid a competitive labor market. Simultaneously, an aging workforce is approaching retirement, risking a major knowledge drain. In the US alone, about 26% of the industrial workforce will be eligible to retire by 2030, which could leave well over 1.5 million manufacturing roles vacant if not addressed. This demographic shift means valuable expertise is walking out the door, creating urgency around capturing knowledge and upskilling younger staff. This is creating a massive knowledge and skill gap. Over 90% of manufacturing leaders now view workforce development as critical infrastructure. We are seeing the rise of agentic systems, AI that doesn't just answer questions, but actively monitors production lines, predicts maintenance needs, and generates real-time work instructions for humans. The focus has shifted from replacing workers to augmenting them. AI is now a co-pilot that helps a junior operator perform like a 20-year veteran. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel at Everything AI 2026. Click the like button and share the video. By subscribing, you gain access to a dedicated knowledge hub designed to keep you at the frontier of the AI revolution. We don't just report on the news, we decode the future. Now, let us continue. Now, let me explain how AI is solving workforce training pain points. Today, leading manufacturers are deploying AI-powered training tools to close skill gaps and accelerate learning on the factory floor. Here are two key categories of AI-driven tools in use now, with examples and results. Number 1. Immersive speed-to-skill, augmented reality. Instead of reading a 50-page manual, new hires use AI-powered augmented reality, AR, glasses. Digital instructions are projected directly onto the machinery. Virtual reality, VR, is another tool that allows workers to break expensive equipment in a simulation to learn from mistakes without a huge repair bill. Studies show VR-trained workers retain 80% of skills after 3 months, compared to just 20% with traditional methods. Number 2. Digitizing tribal knowledge. AI acts as a great tool to capture the expertise of retiring workers. AI listens to a veteran explain a process and automatically generates structured training modules, videos, and troubleshooting guides. If a machine behaves oddly, an operator asks a Gen AI assistant, via voice, for the specific fix used by the team last year. Now, I explain the 5-year outlook of AI impact on manufacturing workforce training. The next 5 years will see the smart factory evolve into the autonomous learning factory. Over the next 5 years, AI is poised to fundamentally elevate workforce training and development in manufacturing. Executives can expect the following 3 trends and impacts as we head toward 2030. Number 1. AR and VR training will move from pilot programs to mainstream practice across factories. as hardware becomes cheaper, more comfortable, and software easier to author content. Even mid-sized manufacturers will deploy immersive training at scale. Number 2. The traditional paradigm of one-time training will shift to a model of continuous learning and reskilling. With AI analytics embedded in workflows, companies will increasingly adopt the mindset that training is not an event, but a persistent process. Number 3. The next few years should bring more sophisticated generative AI applications in training. We will likely see AI systems that can auto-generate interactive training modules, complete with quizzes and even realistic scenario simulations, at the click of a button. By 2030, human resource and operations will lean heavily on AI forecasts to drive training strategy. AI models that analyze demographics, production plans, and technological trends will help answer questions like, what skills will our workforce of 2028 need, and where are the gaps? This foresight allows companies to start upskilling people before new tech arrives or older experts retire. By embracing AI-driven training, manufacturers are expected to see tangible improvement in productivity, quality, and safety metrics. Well-trained, adaptable workers make fewer errors and require less supervision and perform 800% more productive than low performers in complex jobs. A gap that effective training can help close. Finally, AI in training is generally viewed as an augmenting force for human workers, making their jobs easier and career growth attainable. In summary, the period from 2026 to 2031 will likely be remembered as the time manufacturing definitively transformed its workforce through AI. Those manufacturers that harness AI for upskilling, knowledge transfer, and employee support stand to bridge the skills gap more effectively than those relying on traditional methods. In an environment where millions of jobs could remain unfilled without action, AI-driven training offers a scalable solution, training more people faster and better than was previously possible. Workers who can collaborate with intelligent systems will see faster career paths and higher wages, while companies that fail to digitalize their tribal knowledge will struggle to survive the labor transition. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech explainers. See you next time.